Today, we're going to bring an outdoor light camera. Now, this is a great camera. It could transmit from across a room, or it could be used for anywhere outdoors, as long as you have a power source, and it does come with power. We're going to take a look at it and see what you get. Just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us for review. Now, this is outdoor graded for rain, snow, shine, and pretty much any kind of weather location. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what you get when you get something like this. And you just want to do it wireless. It comes with antennas for the wireless device, of course, and it comes with the actual power connection. Now they do have an optional this cable, you are going to require some power, so you're going to have to set this up somewhere where you could be near a power source. That's the only bad draw about this, but you need it because of the lighting and then the speaker, the two-way speaker, and the microphone too. So you're going to have live feed at the same time, be able to transmit from across another room or another location. You'll be able to monitor any kind of thing. And of course, it comes with a regular mount that we're going to screw it on to. So we're going to go ahead and test it out here. But prior to all that, we're going to set it up on our phone first. So let's go ahead and do that. So we are going to download the application. It could be for Droid or iOS. So we're going to go ahead and set this up first. So let's go ahead and get your camera out. It's very simple. If you have a camera, all you got to do is put your camera over it, and it automatically find the system. So there it is. It found the actual application. It will take you directly to the Apple Store, the Google Store, either way. So right now we're going to get it for the Google. So it will tell you when it fails. So right now, currently we had it our 5 hertz instead of a 2.4. So we're going to change it back to 2.4 on my actual phone. You got to make sure you're on the right wireless prior to setting this up. So let's go ahead and add. So the system actually told me that it completed, it was successfully set up. So we are live. It's giving us a green light, and we are able to get all that stuff. So it tells you here a couple things. We have 7-day continuous record. So we're going to do a demo right now. But if you want to continuously record 24/7, you have to pay the actual services. And they do have multiple services in here and multiple information. So let's go ahead and do that. So they give you multiple prices on it, and you could come in there and find your actual plan that you want. If you decide to purchase a camera like this, you are either going to do a limited of videos that you can do, or live capture, or if you're going to record and want to record constantly, then you have to set up a plan. So hope you guys check it out first. Take some micro SD card, and there's a reset button there if you need it. So very simple to set up. In case you don't have internet, you could still use it without internet. All right, we're going to take a look at the night mode, any kind of motion sensor, how the light turns on. So we're going to open the door here. Let me zoom out a little bit. We're going to open the door. It's completely dark. If you guys notice, I'm going to open the door. There's a camera, and this is going to capture me. Put the camera way up there. You guys can see. Look how tall it is. For industrial areas, perfect.
Yeah. You see right there? Yeah. We'll still put a box. Yeah.